Today I will be doing a silk press transformation on this beautiful 4C head of hair. If you would like to see how it turns out, stay tuned and I will show you right after this.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Ms. Magic, back with another silk press video. Today I've opened the shop up just to do this lady's hair for her B-day. She gonna be bouncing and behaving in just a minute. But first, before we get into this video, if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back, my superstars. And if you are new here, if you like this video and you like what I got going on, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. That'd be great. I'd love to have you as part of my family. With that being said, I would love if you'd hit the like button, make a little comment for me, and hit that notification bell so that you can see when I upload new videos. Without further ado, let's get into this video.
Cause you found at the highway. Remember when you saw me in the club, didn't show me any love? You was too busy popping bottles with the thugs. I know you was feeling up. Nah. Don't know why you're trying to front, couldn't even say what's up. Yeah, you couldn't even say what's up. Now you're saying I'm the one. Don't you know I got the juice, got the sauce. Get from around me, boy, get lost. You look goofy, you're a fraud. Don't fuck with lames, swear to God. And before you blew me off, then I glued up and took off. Now you're left in the exhaust, but that's your own damn fault. Should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should've known you was fucking with a fine ass chick, down a ride ass chick. Always on your side like that clip on your hip. If you was blind, I would be your vision. Cause you found out the highway that I'm still the shit. You found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. Yeah. You found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. You found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. Yeah. Now you're telling me I'm special. You should've seen my potential. Riding the wheels off the bandwagon, I'm taking that as an insult. And now you want a piece of it, when before you didn't believe a bitch. Can't believe this shit, you must be tweaking. If you think somehow, once I stop peeking, you can't come around. You got me messed up, gotta go run my checkup. You can tip then pop back up. I don't know what you thought that it was. And before you blew me off, but now you know you messed up. Now you're left in the exhaust, but that's your own damn fault. Should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should've known you was fucking with a boss. Yeah. Should've known you was fucking with a fine ass chick, down a ride ass chick. Always on your side like that clip on your hip. If you was blind, I would be your vision. Cause you found out the highway that I'm still the shit. Found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. Yeah. You found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. You found out the highway. I guess you found out the highway. Yeah.
No matter how close you are, no matter what you say, no matter how hard you try, this is the only way. Well, you know it never could be like it was before. No matter how hard I try, I just can't let you stay. My hands are tied because we can't get past the same old problems that we talk about. We keep on talking about how you run my heart in circles, and you think that I'll just wait for you to come around, but you won't come around. And I don't want your love no more, no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. Every day I'm hurting more and more, but I don't want your love no more, no more.
No matter how hard I try to not let you back in, forgiveness is so easy when you got a lot to give. You can only take so much before there's nothing left, and you always want, but you never wanna give. And I know you can see all of the pain that's gathered in my eyes when I look at you, when I look at you. And now I realize that all this time you had no heart, so you use mine, oh you use mine. And I don't want your love no more, no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. Every day I'm hurting more and more, but I don't want your love no more, no more.
I don't want your love no more, no more. I don't want your love no more, no more. Every single day I'm hurting more, but I don't want your love no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. And every single day I'm hurting more, but I don't want your love no more, no more. I don't want your love no more, no. Your love no more, your love no more.
Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the town we fly. Clean it up just to make it filthy. Under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night. It's 3 a.m. I got your call. I know you've been in need of inspiration, but know your time, trying to control. Eventually gonna need some liberation. I cross your mind once in a while. Okay, you have a wild imagination.
All right, superstars, are y'all ready to see some pure shakeability? Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pure shakeability. Look at that beautiful, bouncy silk press. Oh my, she is birthday ready. She is summer ready. She is everything above ready. She is over COVID ready. You go, girl. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate you all taking your time out to come on over to my little channel and check me out. Here is the full look all the way around. All right, and then we're going to do a few pictures of the finished look, and I'm going to get out your hair. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you, and I will see you all in my next video. Look at that feather right there, baby. She's ready to go. All right, guys, for real. I'll talk to you guys later. Love you.